In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the BBC Weather website to get the current day's weather or even get a week-long forecast. So what you need to do is go to the BBC Weather website, which is bbc.co.uk/weather. So once you're on this page, you can either, right at the top, you can enter your postcode or your town or city, and it will zoom in on that precise location on the map. Or you can scroll down and you can also select detailed map, which I'll go to in a minute. Or you can scroll down again and you can click the video, which will play the current forecast for today. I'll just pause that. So basically, if you go back to the top, we can see a basic map here just giving us an indication of the current weather. If we click detailed map, it will give a much greater kind of weather forecast for the day ahead and even the week ahead. So it gives us a map here of the UK. You can see down here there's a little timeline, so you can either click play and it will give you the weather predictions for the next 24 hours or so. You can also click forward and backwards on the arrows here, which will give you, show you if any kind of cloud or rain's coming in, also give you a prediction on the temperatures. You can, for a more long forecast, you can click on long forecast here. I think it gives you roughly 7 or 8 days forecast. So again, you can either click play or you can use the arrows to go backwards and forwards. So again, it just shows you kind of a rain radar or cloud and temperatures, stuff like that. So basically that's a simple kind of demonstration. If I go back and say I want more kind of precise weather on my exact location, either enter your postcode or town. You don't need to sign up to do this. So enter your postcode. As you can see, it gives you some basic details on the temperature and the cloud or rain on your current location for today. Again, if you scroll down again, you can see right at the bottom here's a video with the local forecast, which you can click play on. If you go back to this little map, again you can see there's a play icon which kind of takes you through the entire day. Or you can use the arrows again, which kind of takes you across your region, gives you an indication if it's going to rain and the temperatures and stuff. You can also click long forecast. Again, this gives you roughly a week's worth of forecast. So again, just click along and this kind of shows you the weather for the forthcoming week. You can also click on pressure. It kind of indicates high and low pressure, whether it's over the country. So again, you can go forward and backwards. I think again it gives you roughly a week's worth of pressure predictions. So basically that's kind of how you use the BBC weather website. It's quite simple. Thanks for watching.